In this presentation, I'm going to demonstrate an interactive media experience designed for the wide format video wall placed in the Darling Harbour called Who is the Winner? I will follow 4 parts to present this activity: concept, working system, interactive scenario, and the implementation. The visual effect is designed based on the illusory motion concept. The term illusory motion, known as the motion illusion, is an optical illusion in which a static image appears to be moving due to the cognitive effect of interactive color contrast, objective shape, and position. The first step is to create a rotating square based on illusory motion, and it offers a sense of immersive feeling. And step 2 is the bounced ball that appear on the second layer, moving randomly. And step 3 is the final result display. Only one ball left, and it will place in the middle. In terms of interactive scenario, I'll briefly explain how audiences can interact with it. The background rotating square is the beginning, and in this section, people cannot control the screen. And when moving to the next section, audiences could set up their own bounced balls through a specific website, and it will appear random place on the video wall and start bouncing. One ball will disappear randomly if 2 of them collated, and finally only one ball will left on the screen. That ball and its owner is the winner, and the screen will display the music to celebrate it. And here I will explain the walkthrough of the code setting. In designing this interactive media, I set up rotating square in the background first, and then add bounced ball function and key pressed function to simulate how audiences could set up a ball on their phones through the website. Then, design to randomly remove one when 2 of the balls collated. And the following section is to set up the final presentation. Magnify the size of the winning ball, play the music. The square stop rotating and start to flash. And when the ball stop magnifying, the square stop flashing. Here I will show you guys some important part of the prototype. And the first one is to set up the rotating squares. And you can see I add a function, add a square in, update the rotating square, and remove the square if it is too big and go out of the screen. And the second one is to control the bounced ball. I do the function to update the bounced ball by the key pressed, and when the 2 balls collide, choose one ball to remove, and the final one is function is to remove the ball. You can see the comment here. And the last picture is the final result. When the game over, I will play the sound, stop the rotating square, make it flash, and magnify the winning ball. So the first picture is the beginning version. You can see only the rotating square. And the second one is the operation part. You can see several balls there. They are bouncing. And the last one is the final version. Only one winner ball left and placed in the middle. So now we move to the implementation part. Okay, it's coming. So this is the beginning version of this interactive media design. It is designed based on the illusory motion to create the rotating squares. And then if I press the key, and you can see several balls. Several colorful balls randomly appear on the screen, and 2 of them collated, 1 of them randomly disappear. This is how audiences can interact with it. And now we wait for the last 2 balls to collide. So finally, this is the winner ball. And it will be placed in the middle, and the square will stop rotating and flashing, and we hear the music, it will celebrate it. So that's all for this interactive media. Thank you.